If you're looking to expand your laptop's connectivity without clutter, the Lenovo Universal Docking Station offers a compelling solution. With a variety of ports and fast charging capabilities, it's built to support both Lenovo and non-Lenovo laptops, making it a versatile choice for professionals and power users alike. This docking station features 3 USB 3.1 Gen 2 ports, delivering lightning-fast 10 gigabits per second data transfer speeds. One of these ports is always on USB charging, so you can keep your devices powered even when your laptop is off. Additionally, it includes 2 USB 2.0 ports and a USB-C port that supports data transfer and delivers 5 volts at 3A power, perfect for charging compatible devices. When it comes to video output, the dock doesn't disappoint. It offers 2 HDMI ports and 2 DisplayPorts, allowing you to connect multiple monitors effortlessly. This setup is ideal for multitasking or creating an immersive workspace with extended displays. Plus, a Gigabit Ethernet port ensures stable and fast wired internet connectivity. Audio needs are covered with a stereo mic combo port, which supports both input and output through a single jack. Interestingly, audio output can route simultaneously to both the HDMI and the 3.5mm jack, giving you flexibility whether you're using speakers or headphones. One standout feature is the dock's support for ThinkPad rapid charge technology. This means compatible Lenovo laptops can charge faster when connected, reducing downtime and keeping you productive. The dock also powers mobile devices with up to 15W from the USB-C port and 10.5W from the always-on USB 3.0 port, so your smartphone or tablet stays charged throughout the day. Compatibility is broad and impressive. This dock works seamlessly with a range of Lenovo models, including the E580, L380 Yoga, T480s, X1 Carbon Gen 6, and even the ThinkPad 25. It also supports non-Lenovo devices like the Mi 520-12IKB and newer laptops such as the T14s with Ryzen processors and the 14M1 Pro MacBook Pro, all without requiring extra drivers like DisplayLink for most newer models. Users have praised its plug-and-play functionality, especially with newer laptops. One reviewer confirmed it works right out of the box with their T14's 20XG model and M1 MacBook Pro, highlighting the convenience of not needing additional software for setup. This ease of use makes it a practical choice for busy professionals who want reliable connectivity without hassle. That said, the dock isn't the cheapest option on the market. Some users feel the price is on the higher side, but the flexibility to use it beyond Lenovo laptops adds significant value. Instead of buying multiple docks for different devices, this one can serve as a universal hub, simplifying your workspace and reducing equipment costs over time. The audio setup might feel a bit unusual at first, with the device appearing as Lenovo Audio USB on your system. However, this doesn't affect performance. The ability to output sound through both HDMI and the 3.5mm jack simultaneously is actually quite handy, especially if you switch between headphones and external speakers regularly. If you're managing multiple devices or need to connect several peripherals, this dock offers a clean and efficient way to do it. Imagine plugging in your laptop and instantly gaining access to high-speed USB ports, dual monitors, wired internet, and audio, all through a single connection. It's a productivity booster that reduces cable clutter and streamlines your setup. Worth a look if you want a docking station that's future-proof and compatible with a wide range of laptops. Whether you're working from home, in the office, or on the go, this dock helps you stay connected and powered without juggling multiple adapters and cables. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your workspace with a docking station that delivers solid performance, broad compatibility, and fast charging. The Lenovo Universal Docking Station balances convenience and power, making it a smart investment for anyone serious about their laptop setup. In summary, the Lenovo Universal Docking Station stands out by combining multiple USB 3.1 Gen 2 ports, dual HDMI and DisplayPorts, Gigabit Ethernet, and fast charging into one sleek package. It supports a wide range of laptops, including the latest Lenovo ThinkPads and even Apple's M1 MacBook Pro, offering plug-and-play ease for most users. While the price might make you pause, the dock's versatility and reliable performance justify the investment. It's not just a docking station, it's a hub that simplifies your digital life and keeps your devices powered and connected, no matter where you work. If that's you, someone who needs dependable, fast connectivity and multi-device support, this dock deserves a spot on your desk. It's a practical upgrade that helps you get more done with less fuss. Don't settle for limited ports or constant cable swapping. This Lenovo dock brings everything together, so you can focus on what matters: your work, your creativity, and your day. Explore the difference a well-designed docking station makes. Connect your laptop, charge your devices, and expand your screen real estate effortlessly. The Lenovo Universal Docking Station is ready when you are.